Have you come across Thrust Maxx Gummies and are thinking of buying them? Before you place an order, let's take a closer look. Is it a trusted product or one you should be careful with? We'll go through the key details so you can decide if it's safe to shop from. ThrustMaxx Performance Booster is a supplement designed to help support energy levels, stamina, and overall vitality. It combines natural ingredients like tribulus, L-arginine, zinc, and tribulus terrestris, which are known for their ability to promote blood flow, endurance, and physical well-being. The formula is produced in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, ensuring quality and safety. But before making a purchase, it's always good to check a few important things. Many online products promise incredible results, but not all deliver. In this video, I'll show you how to check if a product or website is legit before making a purchase. Let's get started. The first thing to check is the product listing. Is ThrustMaxx being sold at a huge discount or bundled into flashy one-time offers? If the pricing seems too good to be true, it could be a red flag. Look closely at the product images. Are they high quality and professional, or do they look like stock photos? Scam websites often use stolen or low-quality images that don't actually represent the product. Also, check the product description. Does it clearly list the ingredients and benefits, or is it vague and generic? A trustworthy supplement like ThrustMaxx should have detailed, transparent information, including ingredients, usage, and benefits. Now, let's check the About Us page. A legitimate seller should provide a real business name, a physical address, how long they've been in business. If the page only has generic phrases like, "We care about your health," but no real details, that's suspicious. Check their contact information. Look for a working phone number, a professional email address, a verifiable office address. If you can't contact them or the details seem fake, proceed with caution. Let's talk about customer reviews. Don't trust only the reviews on their website. Search for real feedback on Google Reviews, Trustpilot or SiteJabber, wellness forums, or YouTube product reviews. If you see only 5-star ratings with similar wording, they may be fake. Lack of external reviews is also a warning sign. And finally, check the website's domain age. Scam websites are often brand new and disappear fast. Use a domain checker to see how long the site has been active. If it was recently created and has no history, that's a major red flag. Before you buy ThrustMaxx Gummies, verify all these key details. If anything seems too good to be true, whether it's outrageous claims, missing company details, or no outside reviews, it's better to be safe than sorry. Always research before buying supplements online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others avoid online scams. And drop a comment below if you've ever spotted a suspicious product or website.